Hi guys, today day 9. Today we are going to solve the problem check if one string swap can make strings equal. What the problem statement is, there are two strings given. By swapping one character or string within the string can make the strings equal or not. First, to solve this, I am writing a condition like if the string 1 and 2 are equals, then the function should return true. Like this is the basic step. Like if something like bank means both the strings are already equal, so we don't need any other code to prove that both the strings are true. So within this condition we can conclude that the strings are true and return true. And if both the strings are not equal, we have another condition like swapping one element should make both the strings equal. So let's go for that. Before validating that, I am creating two character arrays C1 and C2 with size of 26. I'll tell you later why I have mentioned 26 size, and I am creating a temporary variable with as num. The num variable is used to show the number of elements that are equal, and with the help of for loop I am iterating the string with the length of the string. In the question it have already mentioned as both the string have same length. So what the data we have means, like if consider the string have 6 length, that means that 4 elements should be same, so that one swap can conclude that the two strings can be equal. To validate this, I am creating two characters with cc1 and cc2 within the loop, so that I can reuse it and clear the data in it again and again. I am accessing the elements in the string, and I am cross validating with the if condition like cc1 is not equal to cc2 means num will be incremented by 1, and num will be incremented by 1. Like if num is greater than 2, like if there are more than 2 elements which is not equal, then we return false. This automatically means that one swap cannot make these strings equal. We can conclude that easily. Also I have used one more frequency technique. It's like we have created, I have mentioned like we have created this character array with the help of the number of alphabets. It will store like, consider an element that is present in the string. Let's take this b. What's the value, ASCII value of b is 98, and the ASCII value of a is 97. 98 minus 97 is 1. Like in the array, in the place of 1 there will be an increment. It means that there is a number of b present in the string. Through this, the frequency of the elements is stored in the array. We are doing this for both the string 1 and string 2 in C1 and C2 array. Like once this is done, we can check like arrays dot with the help of arrays dot equal whether the array C1 and C2 are equal. If that is equal, we can it is true and swap can be done and the strings will be equal. If not, it's not possible. Like arrays dot equal will return a boolean value true or false, and we have considered all the possibilities, and we have written coded and instructed what should happen and when should happen, and this is what really coding means. To solve the problem, we are writing codes which a machine can understand with the help of a programming language. And let's keep the fire, learn and solve problems daily together guys. Thank you.